How to see all of someone's reposts on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple. However, you need to keep in mind that as of right now, TikTok only allows you to see all of the reposts of people who you are friends with, meaning they follow you and you follow them back, or vice versa. And as the time of this recording, TikTok does not allow you to see the reposts of other non-friends people. So let me go ahead and open up TikTok to show you how it looks like.
To my nigga Pop.
Now, if we went to our profile right here and then went to our reposts section, you see that TikTok tells you that videos you post are visible to your friends, meaning all of my reposts are visible to our friends, and this applies to others people. So if they are friend with us, we can see their reposts. So let me just show you a friend right here. This is my friend. As you can see, I follow him and he follows me back, and I can see his reposts section right here. However, if I wanted to go to a non-friend, say for example this one right here, you will not be able to see his reposts. As you can see, there's no repost section. Let me choose another account. Say for example this one. As you can see, there's no repost section because as of right now it's only limited to people who you are friends with. So that was it for this video. That's how you can see others people reposts on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.